Before buying an 88-key Midi controller, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Akai Professional MPK Mini IV. The Akai Professional MPK Mini IV caught my eye right away. Priced at $99, it's a bestseller for a reason. If you want a compact, powerful MIDI controller that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has 25 velocity-sensitive keys and 8 MPC drum pads, which mean you can create beats and melodies quickly and intuitively. The 360 degrees knobs allow you to control your DAW settings without needing to touch your computer, which is super handy during live performances. Plus, with a vibrant full-color screen, you can easily navigate through your settings. This product has collected 732 reviews with a solid 4.6-star rating, indicating a lot of satisfied users. Now, some people complained about the fact that it's compact and might feel small to those used to larger keyboards. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for portability and you don't need a full 88 keys, this isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for beat makers or those needing a MIDI controller on the go. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner producer looking for something lightweight and easy to use. Skip this one if you're set on having 88 full-sized keys for classical playing. For $99, you're getting a lot of features that will kickstart your musical journey. Now, if the smaller case size of the Akai bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more keys and features. Product number 2, M-Audio Keystation 49MK3. Next up is the M-Audio Keystation 49MK3. Priced at $119, this keyboard offers a fuller range while still being budget-friendly. If you want a MIDI controller that feels natural and responsive, this is definitely worth checking out. The 49 full-size keys are velocity-sensitive, which means they capture the nuances of your playing style. This is crucial for expressing emotion in your music. It also comes with assignable controls, including a volume fader and transport buttons, making it a great fit for controlling your software during recording sessions. With over 6,700 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear this controller resonates with a lot of musicians. Now, some users mention that it doesn't have the same level of build quality as more expensive models. It performs well for its price point and is incredibly lightweight. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a balance between price and performance. Skip this one if you need something more robust for heavy studio use. For $119, you get a solid MIDI controller with great features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a complete beginner. Product number 3, Alesis 88-key keyboard piano. Now let's talk about the Alesis 88-key keyboard piano priced at $189. This one really stands out with its complete accessory bundle. If you want a comprehensive setup that's ready to go right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. This keyboard features 88 full-size, touch-sensitive keys, which is ideal for anyone serious about learning piano. With 480 sounds and 160 rhythms, you'll never run out of creative options to explore. It also has built-in speakers to deliver rich sound and educational features like split and lesson modes. With 2,400 reviews and a high rating of 4.6 stars, it's clear that beginners love it. However, some users found the built-in speakers to be less powerful than they expected. Plus, you can always connect it to external speakers for better sound when needed. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who wants a complete package to start learning piano. Skip this one if you already have a piano but need a MIDI controller instead. At $189, you get everything you need to start your musical journey. Now, if you're looking for something that has that authentic piano feel, the next product might just hit the mark. Product number 4, Roland FP10. Next up is the Roland FP10, priced at $449.99. This one is on the higher end, but if you're looking for amazing sound quality and an authentic feel, this is where it's at. If you want a digital piano that plays like an acoustic, you should definitely consider this. The FP10 features Roland's supernatural sound engine, which means the tones you produce are incredibly rich and responsive. The keys have an ivory feel that mimics real piano keys, giving you an authentic playing experience. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily pair it with your devices for added functionality, making it a great choice for both beginners and more advanced players. It has a 4.5-star rating from 1,700 reviews, which speaks volumes about its quality. Now, some users noted that it's heavier than other models, which can make it less portable. But here's the thing, if you're planning to use this primarily at home or in one venue, the weight shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially considering the quality you're getting. This is perfect for you if you prioritize sound quality and an authentic feel in your playing. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for on-the-go performances. For $449.99, you're investing in a premium digital piano experience. Now, if you're looking for a more affordable option but still want quality, the last product on our list has you covered. Product number 5, M-Audio Keystation 61MK3. Finally, we have the M-Audio Keystation 61MK3 priced at $189. This is another solid choice for those who want a good balance between features and price. If you want a 61-key MIDI controller that feels great but won't empty your wallet, this is worth your attention. With 61 full-size, velocity-sensitive keys, this controller captures the dynamics of your playing accurately. It's equipped with a volume fader and transport buttons to make controlling your DAW a breeze. Plus, it's compact enough to fit any setup, whether you're in a studio or performing live. With over 6,700 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear this product has made many musicians happy. However, some users feel that a few of the controls could be better positioned for ease of use. But honestly, if you're mainly using it for basic MIDI functions, this is not a significant issue. It's still easy to set up and use. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable MIDI controller for music production without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need advanced features that high-end models offer. For $189, it's an excellent value for what you get. To wrap it up, we've covered the Akai Professional MPK Mini IV for portability, the M-Audio Keystation 49MK3 for expressive control, the Alesis 88-key keyboard piano for beginners, the Roland FP10 for authentic sound, and the M-Audio Keystation 61MK3 for a balanced option. Each of these controllers has its strengths, so choose one that fits your needs best.